So I've been on YouTube for quite a while now, and as a matter of fact, the very first video that I uploaded was 9 years ago. And so this year in 2023, it's going to be my 10th year on YouTube. And as with most creators, I've tried so many different types of content. I even have different channels in different niches as well. But the one thing that I think all creators can relate with is getting growth. So being on YouTube for this many years and producing well over 2,000 videos total across all my channels, in terms of my growth for subscribers and views, it is definitely not where I would want it to be. And I think a lot of creators probably feel the same thing. But the reason why I'm making this video isn't really for creators who've been doing this for a while, because I think a lot of us who have been doing this for this many years do understand that YouTube and other platforms, there's a lot that goes into it. And what I want to talk about today is this whole concept of just how one video can change your channel. And the perfect example that I have recently is the channel by Zackary Smigel. Now, Zackary Smigel, his channel, this one, actually doesn't have that many videos. And it's a fairly new channel. He actually uploaded his first video just 2 months ago. And the thing is, he does have other video channels. He has one called Real Estate License Wizard, which he created, I think, about 4 years ago. And this one has over 60,000 subscribers. And he has over 400 videos here. And he's been a YouTube consumer plus creator for many years. But his latest video, at the time of this video, uploaded just 6 days ago, is that one video that could change everything. So just think about that. So just 2 months ago, he started a new channel. And if you look at this video, when he refers to his channel, he had like 600 something subscribers. So that is normal, what you would see for most channels where, you know, when they're just starting out, you might have a few hundred or even less than a few hundred. And then over time, this can grow. But it just takes that one video to change everything. And this is the video. So this one, 6 days ago, now has 2.5 million views, which is absolutely insane. And if you think like, you know, just a few months ago, this channel had 600 something subscribers. It now has over 50,000 subscribers. And his other 10 videos are getting views as well. So this has a really dramatic effect on a channel. And so you might be thinking, what is it? Is it the algorithm? Is it the content? Is it just being at the right place at the right time? Well, the simple answer is it's all of that. And I'm not going to lie to you and say the YouTube algorithm isn't important, because it is very important. And so if the YouTube algorithm picks up your content, it really only takes one video or a few videos to really rocket your channel and bring it to the very next level. However, just because the YouTube algorithm picks up your content, that doesn't mean that your channel is going to grow for the long term. And that doesn't mean that people are going to come back to your channel, because you could definitely be a one-hit wonder and people will never come back to this channel again. And so it's a combination of many things. That's why YouTube and many other platforms, being a creator is not as easy as it looks. And it does require a lot of long-term effort, constantly changing and improving yourself. And for Zackary Smigel, like I said, he's been on YouTube for a while now, so it's not like he didn't have experience creating content, knowing what and what doesn't work. And also, he just has a really great way of presenting information. And so I really strongly believe that if you are somebody who's just starting out on YouTube and you feel like you're not getting anywhere, well, just think about people like myself who've been on this platform for nearly 10 years now, produced thousands of videos, multiple channels, but yet I'm still creating content. And the reason why I'm still doing that is pretty simple. First and foremost, I love creating content. I really feel this can help a lot of people. And also the ability to potentially just have a few videos, or one video in this case, that could really skyrocket your channel and make this your full-time thing, just being a creator. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see this 2.5 million viewed video, which is probably going to get more. I will leave his video in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on another episode. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.